बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास सेकेंड ईयर, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं हूं आपका टीचर हिकमतुल्लाह शिनवारी और आप देख रहे हैं मेरा चैनल किमसोल बाय शिनवारी। तो आज हम एक अहम टॉपिक पे बात करेंगे, दैट इज़ दी सल्फोनेशन ऑफ बेंजीन। सल्फोनेशन is a process in which we replace the hydrogen of benzene with sulfonic acid group. We can write as the displacement of hydrogen by sulfonic acid यानी HSO3 group is called sulfonation। ये एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है कि जिसमें हम बेंजीन में मौजूद हाइड्रोजन को SO3H ग्रुप के साथ रिप्लेस करते हैं। इस किस्म के रिएक्शन को कहा जाता है सल्फोनेशन। नाउ वी राइट द रिएक्शन ऑफ सल्फोनेशन। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी ड्रा द बेंजीन रिंग, देन वी ड्रा द H2SO4, that is a reactant. The temperature is kept 100 to 120 degrees centigrade, and in this reaction sulfuric acid is also act as a catalyst. So the product is a benzene ring with the SO3H group. This is called benzene sulfonic acid. The name of this compound is benzene sulfonic acid plus water. Water is another product that is obtained during this process. Mechanism. What is the mechanism of this reaction? The detailed mechanism is given as: in the first step, H2SO4 molecules will react with each other and they will dehydrate, yani one molecule will dehydrate the other molecule. So the product will be HSO4 minus, yani hydrogen sulfide ion, number 2 hydronium ion, and number 3 sulfur trioxide gas. Sulfur trioxide is our electrophile. Now in second step, the benzene ring will react with SO3, that is sulfur trioxide. One sulfur is attached with 3 oxygen atoms with double bonds. Now the electrons of benzene ring will attach with sulfur, and the electrons between sulfur and oxygen will be shifted towards the oxygen. So sulfur will be attached with the carbon of benzene, and one of the oxygen atoms will become O- ions. There will be a positive charge on the carbon adjacent to CH. ऊपर के स्ट्रक्चर में आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं कि कार्बन के ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज आएगा। नेक्स्ट स्टेप, अगले स्टेप में ये जो ऊपर बना हुआ एक आयन है उसके साथ HSO4 नेगेटिव आयन रिएक्शन करेगा। HSO4 negative ion is in fact a base. This will draw a proton from our ion, and the electrons of CH will move towards the ring. As a result, a double bond will be regenerated and we will get this structure along with H2SO4 molecule. So this H2SO4 was acting as a catalyst, and this has been obtained as a result of this reaction again. In the next step, the ion, sulfonate ion, will react with hydronium ion, and hydronium ion will give a proton to sulfonate ion. As a result, we will get benzene sulfonic acid plus water. This is our final product. So in this process, we have got benzene sulfonic acid. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.